This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that me and my sister are in the process of trying to restore. I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about the linkages on the transmission in preparation for pulling the motor and transmission. This is a 3-speed on the column manual transition, and as you look down here in the bottom, you'll have 2 sets of shifting linkages here for your forward and reverse gears. And then right up here in the front, what you'll have is your clutch arm, which connects to your clutch system here. To remove these, you see a pin and a cotter pin here. We'll have to remove that. Back here on the shifting linkages, the same thing. There's a pin secured by a cotter pin here on the back side for both of these linkages for the forward and reverse gears. For memory purposes, this rear linkage arm here, if you follow it up to the top where the steering column is and the shifter linkage up here, it's the very top shifting linkage. And then if you look down at the bottom here, this is where we followed this bottom arm down, and as you come back down, you will see that it is the forward linkage right here. So you've got the 2 linkages and the clutch arm that needs to be removed from this side in preparation to remove the engine and transmission. Hopefully this will help you out. Thank you much. Bye.